The Nandi County Government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Export Processing Zone Authority and the Export Promotion Council aimed at boosting investment opportunities for small and medium entrepreneurs in agribusiness. The partnership between the county and the two state parastatals is set to create more than 10,000 jobs for the youth and serve close to 15,000 farmers. Speaking after signing the MoU at the county headquarters, Nandi Governor Stephen Sang said the project will be established on a 200-acre farm in Chemase Chemili ward. It will involve the value addition of tea, coffee, sugarcane, fruits and other horticultural crops. The value of the deal was, however, not indicated during the ceremony.
We can have the benefits of the EPZA program trickle down to Wananchi.
When this export processing zone will be fully developed in Nandi, we will be able to attract, it will be able to provide job opportunities for thousands and thousands of our people. So we will deal with the farmers by ensuring that we have market for their produce. We will also create job opportunities for our young people.